Would you believe me if I told you that in just a few years, traditional homes could become obsolete? That's right. Eco-friendly, sustainable homes are taking over the real estate market, and by 2026, net-no homes might just be the new standard. From homes that generate their own power to massive tax incentives that make sustainable upgrades more affordable than ever. This is the future of real estate. Stick around because today we're breaking down the biggest green home trends you need to know. Let's start with net zero homes. What are they and why are they the future? What is a net zero home? A net zero home produces as much energy as it consumes thanks to renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind power. These homes are designed with ultra-efficient insulation, energy-smart HVAC systems, and high-performance windows that trap heat in the winter and keep it cool in the summer. Why are they becoming the standard? As energy costs continue to rise, homeowners are looking for ways to cut expenses. Governments worldwide are tightening regulations, pushing for stricter energy efficiency standards. Homebuyers want sustainable homes, and real estate developers are responding to the demand. Imagine living in a home where your utility bill is $0 every month. Sounds good, right? That's what net zero homes offer. If there's one upgrade that's taking over in 2026, it's solar panels. But the game is changing. Solar technology is more efficient, more affordable, and smarter than ever before. Why homeowners are going solar? Huge savings. A typical solar system can slash electricity bills by 70% or more. Energy independence. With home battery storage like Tesla Powerwall, you can store excess energy for nighttime or power outages. Increased home value. Homes with solar panels sell 20% faster and at a higher price than homes without them. Pairing solar panels with smart energy systems takes things to the next level. Imagine your home automatically adjusting power use based on peak energy hours, saving you money without you even thinking about it. Now let's talk about one of the biggest reasons homeowners are going green. Tax incentives, government rebates and credits. In 2026, many governments will offer massive tax credits for eco-friendly upgrades. In the U.S., the federal solar tax credit allows homeowners to deduct 30% of the cost of solar panel installation. Some states offer property tax exemptions for homes with energy-efficient upgrades. Other incentives to look for: energy-efficient windows and insulation, rebates for homeowners who upgrade to better insulation and high-performance glass, electric vehicle EV chargers, tax credits for installing home charging stations, smart home upgrades. Some programs offer credits for adding smart thermostats and lighting. Here's something real estate agents love to talk about. Green certified homes are selling faster than traditional homes. What is a green certified home? A home that meets strict environmental and energy efficiency standards. Certifications include LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, and Passive House certifications. These homes use 30 to 50% less energy than a typical home. Why are buyers flocking to green homes? They save money on utilities. They have higher resale value. They offer better indoor air quality with non-toxic materials and improved ventilation. Eco-conscious buyers are willing to pay top dollar for green certified homes. And in 2026, this trend is only getting stronger. If you're wondering whether investing in sustainable home design is worth it, the answer is yes. How green design increases value, lower operating costs, energy-efficient homes save homeowners thousands of dollars annually, higher buyer demand. Listings that mention eco-friendly or sustainable sell 10 to 20% faster than traditional homes. Future-proofing, with stricter building codes on the horizon, homes with green features will stay competitive in the market. Sustainable design isn't just about being green, it's about being smart with your investment. Eco-friendly homes aren't just a trend, they're the future of real estate. Whether you're a homeowner, buyer, or investor, making sustainable upgrades now will pay off big in the years ahead. What do you think about sustainable homes? Would you consider living in one? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.